Hello guys, this is Bett&win. Welcome back again to my channel. Have you subscribed? In case you never subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss my videos anytime I post any tricks or any strategy that you need to use. So I want to know any of you who is ready to stake high. Only for high stakers, people that can stake high on 1.80 something odd or 2 odds. If you can stake high, then this video is for you. If you can stake high, maybe from 50k, 100k upward, if you can stake high, this video is for you. For example, something like this, can see. So you can be getting something like this. Let me start from the beginning. Ticket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you are ready that you know you can stake high, chat me on WhatsApp. This is a VIP for high stakers. This is the VIP for high stakers, people that can stake high. It's not for low stakers, it's for people that can stake high. It doesn't matter any country you are, whether you are in Ghana, anywhere, so far you can access the site of this party, you can go well with this type of game. So this is a game for high stakers and is a lifetime subscription. This is not something you'll be paying monthly. It's something that for high stakers and is a lifetime subscription. So once you have already subscribed for this, you are not paying anything again. So it's for high stakers and is a lifetime subscription. So once you chat me on WhatsApp, I'll show you what the name it is. So I'll tell you how it is, and the number to chat on WhatsApp is 07036760527. And I repeat, the WhatsApp number is 07036760527 for Bett&win. So if you want something like this and you are ready to stake high throughout from this ember month and upward, is a lifetime subscription for high stakers. Once you can access the site of Spotty anywhere you are, just chat me on WhatsApp. Once you can access this site of Spotty anywhere you are, chat me on WhatsApp. Once you can stake high also. This is a season of high stakers. 2 odds, 1.86 odds. Chat me on WhatsApp. You can be getting something like this every day for high stakers. We don't pick much. We pick few to give you 2 odds. Or 1.86 odd. This is type of tickets you'll be getting. It's a lifetime subscription. Once you paid, nobody's asking you anything again. Is a lifetime subscription. So chat me on WhatsApp if you want something like this. If you want something like this, chat me on WhatsApp. If you want something like this, chat me on WhatsApp. Alright guys, this is Bett&win. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video, like our videos. Our WhatsApp number still remains 07036760527. WhatsApp number still remains 07036760527. Alright guys, good luck, see you there on WhatsApp.